Structured settlements help me with my practice because it makes it convenient for the clients, that they know that they'll have peace of mind, that when we settle a case and it's a substantial settlement, that their money is going to be placed into a payment which is going to give them security for the rest of their life.
Many of the people are children who have tremendous injuries that are lifelong. So as lawyers, we need to make sure that the children are protected by having annuities that will pay for all the different services they need through their lives.
You know, structured settlements help massively with my practice, especially if the structured settlement is for a younger person. It's vital. And I think that lawyers are making a huge mistake if they really don't try to structure as much as they can.
I've had instances with cases, literally, where the client has said, no, I don't want to do a structured settlement. And I said, okay, that's your option. And 2 years later, I had a situation where the client had invested all of her money, all of it, with the broker. They lost every dollar.
A case, for instance, that we've settled where on behalf of a family, we were able to get significant amount of money following a tragic loss of their father. We were able to structure the money for payments over time so that when the kids get older, they'll have money not only for college funds, but also for investments, perhaps to purchase a house, things of that nature. And then monthly payments over periods of time stretched out through the rest of their life.
And I start talking to them about it early and often so they aren't thrown into that at the very end. And usually by the time we get to that point, they enjoy creating the structure to meet their needs. In other words, you can do anything you want with a structure, and they like that flexibility. And I like to give them that flexibility, whether it's funding an education, funding a car, funding lifetime medical expenses for a child, replacing earnings, whatever it is, they can have a lot of input in that. And that's not something they can have when you're in the trial setting.
We've gotten numerous calls from people thanking us so much, the fact that there was a structured settlement. And people have been very candid, and they said, you know what? Without the structure, I don't know where I'd be today.